Well, just like I promised, I'm here live. Big shout out to Vic Damone, the king of trolls. He just signed out to let his wife use the computer. So I decided to step on in and just continue with what I think is worth investigating. Now, it came to my mind that it might be important for some people to encrypt data. And so I decided that I would just try my hand at encrypting some data. So let's start by saying I don't even know what encryption really is. So I'm gonna look it up. What is encryption? Encryption. How do you even spell that? E. So it's some sort of process of converting information or data into a code, especially to prevent unauthorized access. So how can you encrypt with Python? To encrypt a file with Python. This is what we're going to do. Now, I'm not a robot, so I have to submit that up. So let's see. All right, so just pulling out of thin air, I guess the way I'm going to start this video off is by playing a little song. Well, actually, I'm just gonna get some motivation. I feel like you can't really do things in life unless you are properly. And so, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the motivation together. All right, let's get the motivation together. This is motivation. So this is going to be the file that we're going to try to encrypt. We want to encrypt this file because we don't want. All right, we want to encrypt that file because we don't want anyone in the world to see our girlfriend walking and playing her little song, enjoying her time. See this? See how cute that is? So what we're going to do is we're going to encrypt that file. Encrypt that file. So the first thing we need to do is all right. So the first thing we need to do is get some type of encryptor. So one is SHA-256. And just to keep this simple, that's what we're going to use today. That's SHA-256. Now that's a hash library. a hash lock there. So what I'll do is inform you that there can be some weaknesses in this first uh, encryption we're going to do. I'm going to get this done pretty quickly. All right, so what we're going to do is uh, open up the terminals for you guys to see. In fact, we're going to say we're going to run shell. And I'm going to share the shell with you so that you can follow along with me. And the shell is right here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import hash lib. All right, now that we've imported hash lib, because I don't even know what the hell hash lib is, I'm just going to take a look at hash lib. And what we see is SHA-256, and so it's true what I thought, that SHA-256 would be found in this particular module. So what we're going to do is declare that, we'll say girl equal to hash lib dot SHA-256. So I guess it worked. So I really don't know what girl is going to look like. Okay, it's a hash object. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take a little bit of data. So I just want to show you guys how to start off with just a little bit of data. So I'll say friend. Why not friend? Anyhow, I'll say I love you or love you. All right, so that'll be our simple piece of data. Now what we're going to do is say girl update. And it did nothing. All right, so let's take a look at girl now. Let's do girl. When we see girl, we see a couple of methods such as digest. So I'll say girl digest. And this is just me shooting in the dark. What I was looking for. What you see on the screen, I'll call it woman. Woman is equal to girl digest. So now when we find out a woman, look at this encryption that we have here. Now, my only thing is how can I decrypt it? And I really don't know. That'll have to be for a different video. But for this particular video, this is how you can simply encrypt. I will show you one more thing. This particular encrypted file that comes with all Python installs called this. It's actually an encrypted file, but when you import it, it decrypts. So on the follow up of this video, this live video, we're going to actually show you how to decrypt. You see that we're going to be using hash lib and SHA-256. I'm going to read this poem real quick. What does it say? Beautiful is better than ugly. Explicit is better than implicit. Simple is better than complex. Complex is better than complicated. Flat is better than nested. Sparse is better than dense. Readability counts. Special cases aren't special enough to break the rules. Although practicality beats purity, error should never pass silently, unless explicitly silenced. In the face of ambiguity, refuse the temptation to guess. There should be one, and preferably only one, obvious way to do it. Although that may not be obvious at first unless you're Dutch. Now is better than never, although never is often better than right now. If the implementation is hard to explain, it's a bad idea. If the implementation is easy to explain, it may be a good idea. Namespaces are one honking great idea. Let's do more of those. The Zen of Python by Tim Peters. I think those rules can apply to so many other things in life. So anyhow, let me look back at my motivation. I guess I'll share it with you guys. I'll share my motivation. Then I'm gonna figure out how to decrypt. But you can't do anything without motivation. At least I don't believe you can. That's just kind of, I guess, the way that I see the world. You can't do anything without good motivation. One, the police are on their way, so I got to get this done really quickly because I'm trying to decrypt a file that I've stolen. No, I'm just kidding. I haven't stolen anything. But knowing that I'm going home, let's get this thing done. So anyhow, when I return, I'm going to show you how to decrypt. Until then, use what I've shown you to get deeper and deeper into the world of computers.